Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm going to show you guys how to make tons of free money using this quick method that you can do online in 2021. Trust me guys, it's absolutely amazing, so don't miss this video. Watch until the end so you do not miss out on this new method on how to make money using online methods. So guys, this is going to be free, okay? So what we are going to do is we're going to come right over here to a website called trends.google.com. This is Google Trends. You can just search it up on Google right here by going to Google Trends, boom, and clicking this first option. So now that we're here on Google Trends, this is actually trends that are actually trending right now. This is Google's own website. So we're going to scroll down, and right here you can see everything that's trending right here. We got some stuff that's trending. We got some actual people trending. We got some more stuff trending down here like Tucker Carlson, PlayStation Network, Champions League, Logan Paul, and all this sorts of stuff. So let's just click on the recently trending, and let's just find one that we want to do a topic about, okay? So what we're going to do is maybe PlayStation Network. I feel like that's a really, really good one because it is gaming, and you're going to reach a much larger audience than something of a human being. I know, it sounds weird, but gaming just has a lot more of an audience, okay? So this one's trending right here, 100,000 searches, which is great. And what we're going to do is we can read right here why it's trending. And as we can see, it's trending because PlayStation actually had an outage globally, so people literally couldn't access the PlayStation Network, which is kind of a big deal. So how are we going to leverage this? Okay, how are we going to leverage this to get us the maximum amount of money? What we are going to do is we are going to take this search phrase right here, PlayStation Network, and we are going to search it just like this. And what we're going to do is find some articles about this outage. Find what other people are saying. And as you can see right here, The Verge actually published their own article about this. So we can go and read this. This was 5 hours ago. You would probably want to go ahead and get this when it was first starting. So when it first came out that the PlayStation Network was down, you probably wanted to get it around then. But even now is still fine. So PlayStation Network was down globally for an hour. As you see right here, they have an entire article about it and why it was down. What you can essentially do is read this, gather the key notes and information, and what you could do is you can either come to Wix.com and create your own website by clicking Get Started. It's 100% free. You might need to pay for the premium plan to get ads on it, which you can get accepted by AdSense, which is once again another place you can go to, AdSense, and it's this first one right here. And it's essentially a way for you to monetize your website or blog, and you can get paid for ads on it. This is the exact way that YouTubers get paid as well, so definitely go and check that out. But yeah, you can make a website, make a blog just like this, okay? Just like The Verge did. They made a whole entire article about this. You can make your own article, and it will be ranking on Google, and you'll get some plays, you'll get some searches, and all of that stuff. Now, another way you can do it is you can go to YouTube, and you can make a video about this topic. PlayStation Network was globally down globally for an hour. You can make a video about it saying, hey guys, what's up? Yo, this happened. The PlayStation Network was down for an hour. Here's all the facts that I know. Now remember, we know all the facts because we read this Verge article, okay? And so we're going to just tell them about it, okay? And since we're doing that, we're going to publish it. And after you publish it, YouTube is going to promote that out because it's a trending topic. Now, you want to make it 8 minutes. You want to make it 8 minutes or more because the more amount of time that people can watch, they will watch. And YouTube will promote it more. So, it's going to get views. It's going to get views because it's a trending topic. 100,000 searches. 100,000 searches in the past 5 hours. Crazy. That's insane. Champions League's also trending right now with 1 million searches. That is just nuts. That is next level. So definitely recommend making this this type of effort to make some money. You can either create a blog using Wix or make a YouTube channel and upload some videos about it. And yeah, just find some trending topics you want to make videos about or an article, and you can make some money doing that, guys. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you next one, and peace.